make this separately because this is very exciting. I'm doing my first giveaway. So everything is right here in this bag. I'll show you in just a second. But I just wanted to say thank you so much to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot to me. I'm having so much fun doing this. It's kind of brought some joy back in my life having something that is just mine, if you know what I mean. As a stay-at-home mom, everything is just kind of the same. You never have something just for you. Everything has laundry, dishes, it's for everyone, taking care of kids. You kind of forget who you are sometimes, and this is something just for me to do. And so thank y'all for being here and for being on this journey with me. So because I'm about to hit 100 subscribers, or I've already hit it by the time you see this video, I wanted to give back to my subscribers by hosting a giveaway with some of my favorite products. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop into what the giveaway has. So first things first, everything is Mrs. Meyer's. I love Mrs. Meyer's. I used to use it all the time. I just haven't picked up anymore since we moved to my mama's, but I don't want to pick up anymore until we move into the apartment. So this is Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in basil. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner, again in basil. Also got you the hand soap. And this is my favorite part. It is the Mrs. Meyer's Basil Candle. It smells so good. So all that you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment down below what you're looking forward to most for Christmas. And this will end on November 30th. So you have until then to enter the giveaway, and then I'll pick a winner. I will announce it in the description box on Instagram, and then I will also message the person. So yeah, I can't believe that I'm at almost 100 subscribers. It means so much to me. I can't thank you enough, but I hope that you all have a good day.